Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I want to talk to you today about how you can double the leads in your business almost overnight by doing one simple thing. Now, often when I work with new business owners, or Jesson works with new business owners, what we find is that there's some small little wins that we can give them straight away to literally double the leads that they get in their business overnight. You see, what most business owners are doing is trying to get married on a first date. They're just going straight for the sale. Whereas if you went more for lead acquisition, you'd have the opportunity to nurture that relationship with those people, to give them some value, and over time, turn them into customers. And one of the fastest ways that you can get almost double the leads or more, depending on how many leads you get already, is to give away something of massive value. Now, we call that a lead magnet, and that could be something like a guide or report. It could be that you're giving away a discount voucher. It could be that you're getting them to sign up for a ticket for a free event or an online seminar, or it could be that they're downloading your brochure or your catalogue. Whatever it is that you choose, you want to give that away. It needs to be something with a high perceived value. In fact, a high actual value, and in return they're going to give you their name and their email address, maybe their postal address, and maybe they're also going to give you their phone number as well. Now, what that means is then you can nurture that lead, you can give value to them, you can build a relationship with them over time until they're ready to buy your product or service. And it's a really, really smart way to grow the leads on your business. Now, I just want to give you some example figures here so you can see how this could literally change your business overnight. Now, if you've just got a standard website, and what I mean by that is it's a brochure website, 4 or 5 pages, about us, services page, contact us, and that sort of thing, then generally you'll expect about 1% to 2%, if you're doing well, of the people that visit the site to make some sort of inquiry with you. Now, if you change that so you have some sort of guide or report on there and you use something called a squeeze page, very often you can get way above 25%, 30%, and we have pages that are converting as high as 60%. And that is literally when this really becomes a game changer for your business. Imagine that, 60% of the people that visit your site converting into a lead or sale. Now, that is where this becomes a game changer. So we want to show you how to do this. If you ever want to come along and find out more about this, then get yourself booked in for one of our boot camps. I'll put a link around this video somewhere, and at the boot camp we'll tell you exactly how to get more leads, more sales, and how you can get this working in your business as well. Now, if you're finding this video valuable and you're finding the video and the content that Jess and I produce valuable, please give us some likes and some hearts. You can do that on this video right now, and comment below if you want to know what you could use as lead capture. I'll personally reply to all of the comments that we receive below. Tag other entrepreneurs and business owners that you know that should be receiving our videos because we want to share this message and help other entrepreneurs and business owners all around the world to get more leads and more sales. I hope you found that useful. That's it from me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.